Hi, this is Anna Burr with Burr Law, and I'm here today to explain to you a little bit about the probate process. Probate is a court process that people have to go through if a family member or a loved one dies. It can be very overwhelming, especially when what people are really trying to do is grieve the person who they have just lost. But in short, probate is a court process to allow for the legal management of someone's assets. So, what it looks like is first there is an application with the court, which first notifies the court that somebody has passed. If that person has a will, then it gets lodged with the court, and there it remains a part of that court's record forever. Somebody has to apply or request the judge that they be appointed as the personal representative. And that person will then have the responsibility and the legal authority to manage the assets of the person who has passed. After court appointment, then what happens is that the personal representative can gather and distribute assets. Distribution is to beneficiaries, to heirs, and also can be to creditors. The purpose of probate is to be an open and transparent process so that anyone who may have an interest in what's happening in the estate or anybody who may feel they have a claim against the estate knows what's going on from start to finish. It's the responsibility of the personal representative to manage the assets appropriately and with the protection in mind for both any potential creditors and any potential heirs. There are notice requirements, which involves either directly notifying a known creditor, such as a credit card company, a mortgage company, if there are medical bills, then those will have to be managed. And you can also publish notice in the newspaper. The benefit of newspaper publication is that it allows the timeline for creditors to shorten from a full year of waiting for anybody to make a claim down to 4 months. In that time, property can be sold, bank accounts can be closed and moved into a new estate bank account, and any debts can be negotiated and paid. There is a process and an order of priority for debtors, and so it's important to consult with an attorney before you start paying any bills to make sure that they are valid claims and that they are being paid in the order of priority. After all of the debts have been satisfied, then the remaining funds can be distributed to the heirs, whether that's family members or whoever is named in a person's will. And then once those assets have been completely obtained, debts paid, and then dispersed to the family members or the heirs, then you can close probate and the process is finished. Probate in Colorado is not overly difficult, but it can become difficult through emotions of family members, if there are a lot of complicated assets or debts involved, and a number of other factors that can come into play with the probate process. If you know somebody or if you yourself need help with the probate process, then we would be happy to help. Please give us a call. We offer a free consultation and we charge flat fee rates. Thank you so much and have a good day.